Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to update drivers in Windows 11, perfect for improving performance. We'll go step by step, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Alright, let's dive in. First, open Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand a category like Display Adapters to see your graphics driver. Right-click your device, select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search online if an update is found. It'll install, if not, it'll say your driver is up to date. One tip, if the update fails, go to your manufacturer's website like NVIDIA or AMD, download the latest driver and install it manually. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which driver you updated. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.